Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kirsten and my channel is all about personal development, traveling, and living abroad. And so today's video, or this video, is going to be about freelance writing. So if you are a person that loves writing or is someone that is looking for a side hustle to maybe help you move abroad or travel for longer periods of time, then this is the video for you. So I'm first going to talk about what freelance writing is and who is it for, and then I'm going to give you 3 tips on what to do in order to get started, and not only just get started, but in order to be successful with the freelancing business. And if you stay to the end, then I will share with you my bonus tip that has personally helped me to secure work and have consistent work. So a little bit about me very quickly. I have been freelance writing for I think about 3 years now, off and on. It kind of started off as like a side hustle. It was actually something that I used to help me promote my coaching business. And when I first got started, I was published by a lot of well-known travel publications such as Travel Noir, Passion Passport, and some other publications such as The Financial Diet and Boss Magazine. And so that really kind of helped me to build my portfolio. It helped me to gain exposure for my business. It helped me to grow my mailing list. And so now, as I have spent most of my career abroad teaching English, I am now transitioning into doing more full-time freelancing work. And so that's why I decided to kind of share with you some tips that I have been learning to help you get started in creating this more freelance, control your own hours, be your own boss type of lifestyle. So who is freelance writing for? Like, how do you know, if all the remote careers out there, how do you know it's right for you? So pretty much you have to really like/love writing, and not necessarily to be even good at writing. It's more so something that you really enjoy doing or like doing, and something that you can do consistently. And the reason why I say that is because writing, even though, yes, there is a lot of focus on video, a lot of focus on digital, we always need written word. Like, that's something I'm on different mailing lists, I'm on different job boards, and I'm constantly seeing different advertisements for writers. And even right now, I'm currently freelancing for 4 different companies right now, or 4 different publications. And so I'm constantly writing all the time. If you don't enjoy writing, then I would say that this is not the career for you. Regardless if you don't think you're a good writer or not, that is irrelevant, because you can always become a better writer. So don't get discouraged if you kind of feel like, oh, I'm not good at writing. You can always improve. You just have to really, really love it, enjoy it, and kind of slightly be obsessed with words. So yeah. And so what freelance writing is, it's a very umbrella term. It's an umbrella term, and it can mean a lot of different things. So pretty much a company, and this could be a company, a person, a business owner, needs some type of written content, whether it's for their business, whether it's for their online magazine or publication, whether it's for their website, whether it's for an app, whatever. Some business needs you to write content that is either going to be shown to another business, so like B2B writing, or written content that's going to be shown to their clients or potential customers to attract more business to their business. So essentially, the key to being a successful freelance writer is to be able to write content that meets a goal. So usually that goal is attracting new clients, or building trust with a brand, or getting people to take action, helping people to navigate a certain experience. So pretty much that in essence, and that goes under a lot of different umbrella terms. Actually wrote an article about different careers that you can choose if you are interested in freelance writing, and I will link that in the description below. But it pretty much, you have to be able to communicate a certain message clearly, relate in a relatable way, so that people take action, the readers take action in some type of way. Oh, it keeps moving on me. It's so hard to find the right angle. Okay, so here's the 3 things that you need to know in order to get started and be a successful freelance writer. So, what was I gonna say? In addition to, I just said this, but you need to be really passionate about writing. On top of that, you need to be able to be self-disciplined and meet deadlines. So a lot of the times when you're working, whether for a personal client or for a publication or a business, they're going to want a written piece done in a certain amount of time. Sometimes it's 24 hours, sometimes it's 5 to 7 days, sometimes it's 10 days, whatever. But you have to be able to be self-disciplined enough, because you're not clocking in, there's usually no one. Some companies, I think, do have like tracking systems for you, but you have to be able to understand, when is your best time to write? When do you like to write in the morning? Do you need to write in a quiet space? Do you have background music? You need to really understand what's going to help you to produce your best work, what's going to help you to stay disciplined so that you can meet those deadlines, and what's going to help you to keep going so that you don't get burnt out. So that is hard to mention. So one actionable step, because I like to give people actionable steps on what they can do. If you kind of maybe are getting that feeling of like, I like writing, but I don't know if it's something that I can do consistently. I don't know if it's something I can do every day. I don't know if I love it. Then give yourself a challenge to write every day for like a week. You can do it on your own. You can do it in your journal. There is a wonderful website that I'm starting to use called 750 Words Every Day or something like that. I'll link it in the description. And it helps you to get into this practice of writing every day. And once you do that, you can see how you feel at the end of that week or 10 days or however long you want to do it for, because that's going to be really crucial. So if you made it to the end or almost end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And please, if you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want more videos on freelance writing, living and traveling abroad, and personal development. So my bonus tip for you, which I think I don't really, I follow a lot of other freelance writers and freelance writing content creators, and I feel like I don't really see this being talked about a lot, which is understanding that as a writer, you are not writing for yourself. It's not about you. Unless you have a blog, which is different. Unless you have a personal blog, that is different. You are not writing for yourself. You are writing for an audience. And so the more successful, if you want to be a successful writer, what's going to make you even stronger writer, what's going to help you to stand out, is being able to understand your audience. Being able to get into the mindset and the mentality and the perspective of your audience. If you can do that, that is going to make you a phenomenal writer, because all the written content that is out there, it's not for, with it maybe the exception of certain essays or novels or whatever, but it's a lot of the content out there is not for one person. It is for the audience. It is for a business's target audience. So understanding target audience of a business, what they think, what are their fears, what are their ambitions, and then be able to create content that caters around a specific audience and their needs and their interests is exactly what makes a freelance writer so successful. It makes them really good at their job, and it makes people want to work with you or easily hire you, because you can do something that not a lot of other people can do, which is connect to other people. So comment below if you have any more questions. I hope that has helped you. Comment below, what is your one takeaway? I'm someone that loves absorbing information and loves learning things, but let's make sure that it doesn't go in one ear and out the other. Let's make sure that what we learned here in this video, that we can apply it, that we can digest it and understand it. So comment below, what is one takeaway that you got from this video, and let me know, is a freelance writing career something that you're really interested in? And if so, what questions do you have? I would love to do more videos around this topic. Ciao for now.